How to set full screen photo on incoming call in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the phone application on your device over here and then tap on the contacts option. Now here you can select on any of the contact that you want to set the full screen photo of. So I'm going to select one of these contacts. So just tap on the phone number or the contact, and then all you have to do is tap on the pencil icon over here at the top, which is the edit button as well. So tap on it and then tap on the email ID and then select the picture option over here. So tap on add picture, and as you do that you can choose a picture from your camera or a gallery over here. I'm going to go for gallery and then select any of the photos. I'm going to select the picture randomly over here, and then here you can either zoom in or zoom out and make it to the fit of the cropped section. Then tap on choose option at the bottom of the screen and then tap on save, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.